Hello guys, this is Pavel Oskarov from Laravel Daily team of developers who work with Laravel and also shoot videos educating the market. This time it's another article from our Quick Admin Panel blog, shoot as a video version. So what if you need to achieve this visually? You see the form which it's called master detail, which means like the main record on top, and then however many it's needed detailed records inside of it. So in this case, it's order with products, or it could be invoice with items, or something like that. So there are two things to talk about here. First is visual form, so Blade, HTML, and jQuery, how to deal with add row and delete row, so how to form the variables and stuff like that, and then how do we save that in the database, so controllers, models, and stuff like that. And let's go step by step into the article. So first, the structure. Products, every product has a name and a price, and then someone can place an order. An order has name and email of customer, and then in every order there could be products, which means this is a pivot table, many-to-many relationship between order and product, with additional one field, quantity. So it's not just choosing the products, it's also specifying the quantity of each product. And then in the model we make those fillable in main product. Order is also pretty simple model, but this is probably one of the most important parts. We define belongs to many relationship from order to products with pivot quantity. With pivot means that we will use later in the eloquent order product pivot quantity, something like that. So it will help us down below. And this is how it looks in terms of database structure, nothing really fancy. Now, order form, this is how it looks visually. In controller, we just create form orders create, nothing fancy here, we just need to pass the product. This part is more interesting. And we start from the form on the very top, and inside of that form we will have a lot of fields. Untypical solution to structure the array of products. You would think that every product is a row, and then inside of that product there will be some product will be an array or object, and there will be quantity, and there will be product name or product ID. In fact, I found a solution. It's a bootstrap snippet I've kind of stolen or used. Every column is actually an array. So there will be array of products, array of quantities, and in your case, if you have any more columns, there will be array of more columns. So every column is an array, which means that in jQuery then, or in JavaScript or Vue.js, if you use that, you don't need to specify the indexes or create one more row or delete row. You just need to visually create more rows or delete those rows, and every row will contain the same variable. It's not dynamic, and then by the end of it you will have array. Not sure if you understood, and not sure if I explained it well, but we'll see down below. So this is the form. This is linked to bootstrap snippet in the middle of the article, and this is the jQuery part, or you can write that in Vue.js. Basically, add row click adds a new HTML, and delete row deletes the HTML, and a few more stuff with variables like row number. But it's really simple, right? And then in controller, how do we save that? So this is what I meant. You got the array of products, array of quantities, and then you go for each of the products. If the product is not empty, then you attach that to the order. So we save the order first, of course, and then you go for each product and you attach product itself, and then whatever other fields you want. Quantity will be quantities with the same index of product. So that will be the index, product ID or product number, whatever you call it, that number. And you get that data in the database. A few more comments here. This is how the end result looks in the database, so order and pivot table, and how you can view that in the list, final step of the article. So how to achieve something like that. This is what I meant with pivot in the beginning of the video. So with pivot allows us to do for each product, and then we can do this. So item is a product, so product pivot quantity, and then we can view the product price and product quantity from pivot table. There is a GitHub repository on the bottom of the article. I will link both in the description of YouTube video, and I hope it was helpful. It's quite an old article reborn in a video version. I hope it was helpful. Also, you can check out my newest Laravel course. I recently released it, Creating Laravel SaaS Project with Stripe and Cashier. So check out, I will link in the description as well. And that's it. See you guys in other videos.